Scott Baker here with River to River Log Homes in Heyburn, Idaho, near Twin Falls today. Chilly day, warm enough though to be out here working. A lot of wind blowing here today. Crew's been working hard on this house here. We had some log replacement we did here, a couple of logs here and some other logs on the other side of me here. So we replaced these and then we're staining it actually gray. So it turned out really good. We have some other parts like the windows here. We're gonna paint these green, and then also our garage over here, we're gonna actually paint that gray also, close to the stain on the home. So we've done some log replacement, epoxy repair, staining on the home here, paint the garage and the window trim, get this home back in great shape. So anything you need for your log home, repairs, restoration, new construction, feel free to give us a call. And remember, be one with nature in the log home of your dreams.